So today I am helping my dad caravan cover on. Today I am doing cover on, but today I am doing a vlog as I am going out on today. So I'm just trying to find a jumper and throw my super dry. So yeah, I haven't vlogged in quite a while, which I'm quite surprised. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks, I guess. So yeah, now I've got my super dry coat on and I am just waiting to see my dad because I don't know whether I'm helping him now or later or something like that. So yeah, okay. So he's in the porch. It's a bit chilly out here. And tonight is Avery's Bonfire Night and I don't know what shoes to put on. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to vlog a bit of today. I'm basically just walking through all my house to get my shoes. And they're not back here. I'll just wear tags. Shoes can move. And I will show you what we're doing. And I'm going to my nanny's house. And I don't know whether she wants to be in the vlog or not. Neither. I don't think they would. But I will a bit. And show you the journey to get here. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye! So we have finished doing the caravan cover and now we are going to my nanny's in about an hour or so. Well, we'll probably leave soon. So yeah, right now I am just going to watch some YouTube and yeah. So our caravan is all done now. See out there. Anyway, so yeah, I haven't been uploading as much because I don't know what to upload. I don't know what you lot want to do. Okay. I don't know what you lot want to see, so yeah, so I'm going to sit down in my bed or my sofa and just, watch a bit of YouTube. So see you guys soon. Bye! Hello everybody, so now I am going to my nan's house, so yeah, and we are just about to set off. So yeah, I'll roll a bit of stuff. Oh, it's a bit chilly to get here. About my Q&A, the software that I use is very weird because I haven't bought the full version and there's a massive watermark all over the screen. So I am now waiting for Windows to send my dad an email for this code for another software. So we're just waiting. I was trying to set it up yesterday and it still hasn't came through, so I'm a bit worried about that. But anyway, so yeah, hope I see you guys soon. Bye! Everyone, so we are now at my nan's caravan park sort of place, you know, them maybe so yeah, we are now going to walk up to my nanny's and yeah, so we're right behind there and the car is coming. We are going to have Sunday roast at her house, which I'm quite excited about because I like that Sunday roast. Because it's like better than ours. Shh, don't tell anyone. I don't want to offend my family by saying that because they're very passionate about their sister. Just back there, I just gone ahead so then I could just vlog and talk to you guys. So yeah, I probably won't film me going into the house sort of thing, because I don't think they would like that. I think it's a sign of like privacy, and yeah, I might invade their privacy or whatever, so fair enough if they don't want to be on YouTube or whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye! Hello everybody, so I am at my nanny's house, and I would just like to say congratulations to my good friend who has just reached 50 subscribers, and she started after me, so I would like to congratulate her and wish her the best of luck. Hello everybody, so I have just got back, well I haven't just got back from my nan's about an hour ago, and my iPod ran out of charge, and so I didn't vlog on the way back, and now we are going to Bonfire. So I am going to vlog a bit of that, which I'm quite excited about. So right now I'm just going to go to the loo, and yeah. See you soon. Bye! Hello everyone, so I am in the car waiting for Mum to go to the bonfire. I'm sucking on a mint, so I can't really talk properly. Anyway, oh, fireworks! Yeah. I'm excited. Okay, see you soon. everybody. So I am back at home now, and so yeah, I have had a good day today, and it's been quite tiring actually, being quite active today. So yeah, and I would like to just say, like I did earlier on, that my iPod lost charge halfway through. Congratulations to my good friend who reached 50 subscribers. It is incredible. So yeah, I would like to congratulate her, and yeah, maybe there will be a link down below if she wants a link down below. I will ask. Okay, see you soon.